help students explore their first aid skills, especially utilizing the available resources with our newest MCR Medical Student First Aid Training Kit. Each training kit includes one roll of non-sterile conforming gauze, 2 gauze pads, 2 non-woven triangular bandages, and 1 pair of vinyl gloves. The training kits are individually packaged so you may easily pass them out during class. The roll of non-sterile conforming gauze is wrapped separately and measures 3 inches by 4.1 yards when rolled out. The 2 gauze pads measure 4 inches by 4 inches. The gloves are vinyl and size large. The 2 non-woven triangular bandages are individually wrapped and measure 42 by 42 by 59 inches when unfolded. These are sure to spark classroom creativity during splinting exercises. With this popular kit, you can teach your students how to use direct pressure to control bleeding, treat soft tissue injuries, care for injuries to muscles, bones, and joints, including splitting an injury using a sling and binder. You can also teach the importance of preventing disease transmission. These particular student first aid training kits are sold in packs of 10, 100, and cases of 500. Now you know what to expect when you receive your student first aid training kit. For more quality CPR first aid training supplies and accessories, please feel free to check out the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.